Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your fuel pump fuse is located on this 2003 Audi A6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? That really helps me out a lot. So we're going to go to the fuse panel here, which is inside the driver's side door here. We need to pop this cover off right here. So the fuse that we're looking for is in slot number 28, which is this 20 amp fuse right here. This is slot number 28. So this is your fuel pump fuse right here. It's a 20 amp fuse in slot number 28. I will have some fuses linked down in the description below. If you want to get some of those on Amazon, they will be available down there. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.